Well, hello. It's been a while. How y'all been out there, YouTube land? Hope you all are staying strong, keeping yourselves healthy. I'm taking a little trek through some snow here, as you can see. Yeah, we had a lot of snow coming over the weekend, so was stuck indoors. So I figured I'd get out, go on a little adventure before it all melts. So I wanted to take this time to share my thoughts a little bit, kind of explain where I've been for the last 2 years. God, it's been about 2 years, hasn't it, since I put out a video? Yeah, took a long break, focused on a few other things, a couple ventures that I built up and focused on, and just built my knowledge, and I'm ready to get back into the ring, so to speak, and start building an online business once again. I'm still doing a little, but not like I used to. Not when I was pumping out content and all that. So I had a chance to think. So I'm a little bit rusty. So I didn't want to just jump straight into something. And found something that I'm just gonna focus all my attention on. I'm not gonna do the affiliate marketing, anything like that I used to, aside from what I've already built up with the Builderall, because that's still bringing me in the passive income. So yeah, I just wanted to share my thoughts real quick on that, kind of explain where I've been, and then I'm thinking about the future of this channel. What do I want to do with this channel, which is, I kind of want to focus on more motivational quality content without all the salesiness to it. I might do some more Builderall tutorials there. There's been a lot of updates and new additions, so you can check that out in the link below if you want. You can try it out for $1. So I might do that, but I mainly just want to focus on free content and quality, motivational, things that people struggle with. I want to tackle that. So very interested to hear what you have to say about that. So leave a comment below, anything you want to see me cover on this channel from in the future. And if you want to check out what my new online venture is, I'm going to leave a link for that below as well. So that's it. Just wanted to make this real quick. Gonna get back to my hike, and y'all have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace.